Hey guys, Big Schmuck here and welcome back to another episode of Forager. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the last video because I did enjoy making it. Let me just kill this cow real quick. Come here, come here, come here. Moo moo, you're gonna die. I need the food. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the last episode because I did enjoy making it. And today, I need to look real quick in the old anvil or crafting bench or whatever you want to call it. A basic shovel. Okay, we need 20 more iron. I say that would be a pretty good goal today. And maybe to level up a couple more times and do all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this episode because I will enjoy making it, and let's get into it. So first thing I kind of want to get into doing today is gathering some more resources. I think the main ones we really need are wood and iron, and maybe if we can for some reason get enough gold to be able to make some more gold coins, that would be pretty nice, but I highly doubt it because the islands have been kind of dry for resources lately. All it's been is trees and berries and stuff. I mean, as you can see, some iron just spawned there, but really hasn't been too generous with me. I'll tell you that right now, as two iron spawn right next to each other. I tell you what. But yeah, I guess today's episode will mainly just be about upgrading tools, because that is something we do need to get done pretty soon. Oh, what was I going to do here? Oh yeah, fish. Use fish. Oh yeah, and I also said, I'm very sorry, by the way. I said I would get some work done outside of episode. I didn't have time due to school and all that kind of stuff, and some other future stuff, aka first day of summer. Look forward to that, everybody. If everything goes correctly, something will be happening and it will be amazing. But yeah, basically, that's the goal for this episode. We do need to actually put some fish into fish trap. There we go, and there we go. Alright, and I need to kill these slimes. But yeah, get these guys dead real quick, and then I'm just going to harvest that gold to make some more, whatchamacallit, some more coins. Alright, so while I was away, I got a skill point. So skill point, I want to do this real quick, then I'll just get back to harvesting some resources. But there is something. Farming, what is unlocks windmills, unlocks sprinklers. Yeah, I don't care too much about that. Fishing, unlocks fishing rods, fishing traps, catch things, 50. Yes, please, because food is one of our biggest pains in the butt. But yeah, that should be good. I did get some resources. As you can see right here, we're making a decent amount. I want to see how much do we have. 11 out of 20. That ain't bad, but we can get over here and make some more coins, which is pretty good. Like I also said, these first couple of episodes will not be very fun due to the fact of how much resource gathering I actually need to get done. But yeah, don't worry. Future episodes will be full of content and all that kind of stuff. These beginning videos are just mainly here to help you guys out with the beginning of the game and all that kind of stuff. What you should prioritize and all that kind of stuff. I say stuff a lot. I just realized I'm not a very fun YouTuber when I think about it. Kind of need to work on that a little bit more. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back here in a second. Alright, so I was just looking through the map thing real quick. And can I buy another island? Of course I cannot. But anyways, I was harvesting some berries and all that. Ooh, loom. We'll make that here in a second. But is it under farming? Yes, it is. I can make more fish traps, thankfully. And stuff catches real quick, so that's really nice. And we got a skill point. Holy shit. We are just the best YouTube channel ever. What's this? What's this do? Mining rocks, drought. Yes, please. Okay, that is actually very, very good. Was not expecting to get an upgrade like that this early on. I don't know the upgrade patterns, by the way. I'll just let you guys know that right now. Okay, put some berries in each of you. Bang, bang. Can I? Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's what I want to do. But, oh yeah, I need to get some bricks going, too, also. Up here, brick. We only need 4. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh, yeah, we need to make some coal. I say we make about 30 things of coal. Shouldn't be too much. And then brick, bang, bang. There we go. Skadoosh, Skaday, do you know the way? Oh, excuse me, all of the good things are happening today. Alright, so I got enough brick now. Where's build? Is it under industrial? Yes, it is a loom. Build that loom. I forget what you can make on this. I think it's pretty good. Oh yeah, we're still in the build menu. Oh, I need to adjust my controls sometime. Loom. Oh, yes. Thread. Thread, what do we need? How much thread do we need? We need 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, please. Get that. Backpack is going to be so helpful because our inventory is just so small and it just sucks. I've caught 4 fish also. Oh, all the goods are happening today, guys. Everything. Just wonderful. I love it. Wait. Okay, we have enough to make the shovel, don't we? No, not there. I don't care about you. Basic shovel. Yes, we do. We just need one more. Okay, we got enough to make a shovel. We made a shovel. Once that is made, we can get sand. Once we get sand, we can get glass. Once we get glass, we can make glass bottles. Once we can make glass bottles, we can catch the fireflies and upgrade our pickaxe finally. By the way, I think the pickaxe upgrade is actually like insanely good every time you do it. It's like, oh, it's so worth it. Oh yeah, I forgot completely. We can make a small backpack now. Slime wallet. Ooh, kind of nifty looking. And we got our shovel. Yes, that is happy. What is that? I know what it is. It's a skeleton. It's a skellybone. 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 Die, 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 don't die, die, die. Don't hurt me. Why are you destroying my shit? I will destroy your entire family. God, I'm good at this game, but I'm sucking so bad for some reason. Get some more berries real quick before we make some more fishy traps. Oh, I didn't know they added that to the game either. I didn't know they added enemies that'll actually destroy your stuff. Can I make more? I cannot. But I need to get out of here before that slime hurts me. Hi, slime. You're gonna get hurt first. Die. Alright, so. I don't know where the hell you get bottled water, but now, as you can see. Oh, I'm in the wrong menu here. So, pick, shovel you see. Do we get sand from this? I think we do get sand from it. Just wait. Just wait. It'll take a second. It'll take a second. Let me just see. Just want to make sure my case is not just stupid. Wait, if I don't get sand from this, how do I get sand? I'm confused on multiple occasions here. As for inventory slots, that not bad. Yes, I know. I thought this is how you got sand. Yeah, it is how you get sand. Okay, I'm going to farm this up real quick. I'll be back here in a little bit because this, as you can see, is going to take a hot second. All right, it's go time, guys. It's go time. So what do I need? Can I craft? Can I craft anything? Can I craft jar? Bottle? Why do I need thread for a bottle? What the hell? Okay, make 2 thread. Make 2 thread. I know this is kind of sudden, but as you can see, there's a firefly literally right below me right there. And I really need to catch this. Kill the slime first. Kill the slime first. Okay, there we go. My inventory is full. I don't care. I will eat your soul. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that stupid glitch. I don't know what. I do not compute. Okay, there we go. Bottle, craft. Just hurry up. Oh my god, it hurts. Bottle has been gotten. Okay, I'm just gonna make another one here real quick. Bottle. Hello, firefly. Bam. Firefly has been gotten. Or torch bug. Whatever it is. And for this, we need 4. We need 4 torch bugs. Oh yeah, by the way, I also have enough to buy another island. So which one? I'm going to go with this one. That's cool. I like that. And I can get that one. Oh my god, I am so incredibly rich. Why can't I pick you up? Oh yeah, I have manure. Alright, another torch bug down here. Thank you very much. Level 10. Oh, I have 2 skill points apparently. Oh, we're going to be so powerful. Alright, so some stuff I want to do. Structures cost. I think this will unlock some. Wait. What's this? All rocks drop coal. Yes, please. Because we are hurting on coal, buddy. Got that. And then rocks have 10% chance drop gems. Increase the chance of finding rare items when digging by 30%. Oh my god. It is like a wet dream. Oh, and then we get. Oh, quarries are the best. Quarries. You'll see quarries later on. I might show them to you guys sometime on my other world that lags awfully. But yeah, you guys are going to have to be patient either way. Let's do that, and do that, and that. There we go. Okay. Exit out of all of that. Get this beat, and let's go down here and check out this guy real quick. Hello, kind sir. Are you just the person I was waiting? You were just the person I was waiting for. Yes, I was. I'm not going to do voices. The natural resources are being exploited by little jerks with pickaxes. I wonder who that is. I need you to bring me 2 torch bugs so I can keep them safe from harm. I'm not giving you my torch bugs because I'm a greedy bastard and I want everything to be mine. Oh my god, we got a rare gem. It's not do I need flowers? I don't think I need. Ooh, actually seaweed is useful. Eat. Why can't I eat all of it at once? Why am I doing this? Can I just like... Oh, you make me angry, game. Alright, there we go. We picked up our 1 emerald. Because emeralds and gems are literally the future of this game. That's how you make cosmic steel. Cosmic steel is amazing. That is a nice place. I want to go there right now. If you guys don't already know what I'm going to be doing up here, I'm literally going to dig this entire thing out until it just collapses the economy. Actually, I don't really think there is too much of an economy in here, in this game. I mean, yes, you can get money. Yes, you can sell stuff at markets, and yes, all that kind of stuff. But I don't think there is, like, a certain... If you sell a bunch of stuff, the price goes down or anything. Huh, that'd be interesting. It'd suck, but it'd be interesting. And I think that coal upgrade is literally, like, the best thing I've gotten, because I'm just getting shitloads of coal. And I'm getting gems, of course. I don't want gems. I don't like gems right now. I need to get a bigger backpack. That'll be a good investment. Alright, so basically what I was doing, if everybody has, like, literally the brain capacity of a fucking snail, I was getting some more glass so I can get some more bottles and I can get some more bugs and stuff. Why can't I get that? Oh no, I don't want that stupid kelp. That kelp dumb. That kelp's mega dumb. But yeah, as you guys can notice, we're getting a little bit more deeper into the game. We're getting more resources. We're getting a lot more things. The upgrades really help with that. So yeah, stuff is just kind of going uphill. Or is it downhill or uphill? I don't know, but I need some thread. So we'll make some thread first. What do I need? Medium backpack. Leather. Yeah, I don't really care about that. I'm just going to make 2 for right now. Why not? I think leather is gotten from, like, cows and sheep and stuff. Actually, no, it's not. You have to research it. Yeah, you have to research it. Never mind. Never mind. It's a skill unlock. Oh, yeah, by the way, you guys, just to let you guys know, you can go in this house. It's really actually kind of nifty. So, you can go over here. You have wardrobe. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm going to go with lunatic cultist because I like lunatic cultist. Oh, I only have the basic body. Oh, that makes me angry. And I have no wings. Of course I don't. But I like the lunatic cultist thing. Can I go up the ladder? I cannot. Okay. What's over here? Oh, I'm such a curious boy. But yeah, it is pretty. It's a really fun game. I like the game a lot. I know you're exhausted, but eating takes much more energy. I need to make some more food, by the way. I need to cook all of my fish. Max fish. Fish, get you. Go over here. Make 2 bottles. Bing, bang, bosh. We need to clear out over here. This is getting a little bit out of hand. Guys, I think we got enough. Do we yet? Oh, we need more iron. Actually, that shouldn't be a problem. Iron ingots. Oh yeah, we're set. We're spicy as hell, everybody. We have plenty of resources to be able to now make that pickaxe once it gets to the time that we are able to make that pickaxe. Okay, buddy. There we go. That's a lot better. We have a lot of slime, by the way. Wait, is it slime or what is that funky thing called? Is it jelly? That's kind of funky. I don't like that. Okay, are we almost there? Okay, we just need 5 more. I'll just cut ahead into the video for when we get it all. Alright, everybody. We got enough, finally, to make the man, the myth, the slimy pick. Oh my god, I am getting fucking traumatized by these slimes. Oh, that feels good. That's a big weight off my shoulders. I'm sorry, chicken, but you just have to die. You're vastly less superior than I am. Therefore, you are lesser than me, and you will die. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a skill point. So I want to go up here, go into here, and I saw it somewhere. Yeah, where is it? There it is. Sewing unlocks leather. That's exactly what we need. We need leather. Leather is amazing. And sewing stations work 25% faster, which is also fantastic. Oh, it's all coming together. It just brings a tear to my eye. So we go over here. What does leather cost? Hide, have 2 hide, and just thread. Nothing too bad, except for down here. Here is where it's expensive, basically. And I don't like expensive. Everybody, monumental occasion right here. Skadoosh. New pickaxe has been made. 1.5% attack damage. Resources and plants may drop jelly. I don't care. I want to see how much faster this is. Is that much fast? It looks faster, if I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, it is faster. Okay, I like it. But anyways, that is going to be the end of the video today. Hopefully you all enjoyed it as much as I did. I really enjoy playing this game. And I will see you all in the next one. I hope you all have an absolute fantastic day today.